Profesor Fernand de Varenne, eden najbolj znanih strokovnjakov za zaščito človekovih pravic, gostujoči profesor na uglednih univerzah, je bil 1. avgusta 2017 imenovan za posebnega poročevalca OZN za manjšinske zadeve in pripravlja poročilo o vprašanju oseb brez državljanstva in manjšin za Generalno skupščino OZN. Njegova naloga je tudi, da med drugim spodbuja izvajanje deklaracije o pravicah pripadnikov narodnih ali etničnih, verskih in jezikovnih manjšin, med katere sodi tudi znakovni jezik.
Well, I think Slovenia actually has a relatively good position. You have had a law on the use of the Slovenian Sign Language since 2002, I think. And in 2014, you've recognized a day of the Slovenian Sign Language. So in a way, you actually have a relatively good position. But of course, there are possibilities, and there should be improvement in a number of areas also. Well, I think in terms of improvement, there's perhaps progress to be made in terms of what is the sign language. Slovenian Sign Language is a language. It's not just a method to try to address a physical obstacle. And I think sometimes in some government departments, perhaps there's a tendency of looking at sign language as only a way to address deafness. I think this is wrong. It is wrong, and it should be addressed differently because sign language is a language. It has a culture behind it. And so perhaps a more appropriate approach would be to recognize that sign language is the language of a linguistic minority.
V okviru izvajanja njegovega mandata je posebni poročevalec obiskal Slovenijo, kjer je želel raziskati različna vprašanja v zvezi z manjšinami in skupnostmi v državi. Za raziskavo je izbral tudi Zvezo društev gluhih in naglušnih Slovenije, od katere je želel dobiti odgovore o izvajanju pravic uporabe slovenskega znakovnega jezika v vsakdanjem življenju in kako so te pravice dostopne uporabnikom. Na njegova vprašanja so odgovarjali Mladen Veršič, predsednik zveze, Anton Petrič, strokovni delavec, in Matjaž Juhart, sekretar zveze.
I think in many areas, in most areas, there is a recognition, and a growing recognition, that sign language is a language. It truly is a language. It can be rich. It has its own slang. Young people have expressions that they use in sign language, which adults or older persons would not. So even though we haven't recognized in Canada yet sign language as an official language of the country, I think that there's been an increasing awareness and recognition that it is a full-fledged language.
Ob koncu svojega obiska je imel tudi tiskovno konferenco, na kateri je delil svoje ugotovitve in priporočila. Posebni poročevalec bo izčrpno poročilo o svojem obisku predstavil na prihodnjem zasedanju Sveta OZN za človekove pravice.